It's a little self-contradicting. However, the UK really delivered more wind power than the framework could deal with this week. Wednesday's Bloomberg report said a couple of wind ranches in Scotland were approached to diminish yield by 25 megawatts, or probably however much two normal US families involves in a year. The Money Bar says UK frameworks are experiencing difficulty adapting to all the influence their sea and land wind ranches create, nor does the nation can store a lot of it in batteries. Moreover, windmills can likewise close down naturally to safeguard the machines from harm, assuming they turn excessively quick in swirling climate, like the breezes that created the power flood. Bloomberg says the ideal breeze speed is 33 miles per hour. Anything over that can harm a turbine. Out there, the news comes days after scientists said in another review that humankind hasn't yet raised a ruckus around town benchmarks to vanquish interplanetary travel and life. We can't deliver and store sufficient energy from Earth's different sources yet to power such ventures. On Wednesday, the UK hit an energy creation top that covered the greater part of Britain's power needs. Electric vehicles are turning out to be more open, and as an animal varieties we appear to be to some degree to not set in stone to comprehend and saddle atomic power. It probably won't appear to be an immense indication of progress, yet asking wind homesteads to somewhat diminish creation is presumably one of many strides on the excursion to make Earth reasonable. We really want energy creation and long-haul stockpiling in the event that we're truly quitting on petroleum products.